sorry. Parker Brothers kind of funny.
Watching TV, watching TV.
Used to keep searching for something to see. Then my mom, she got smart. She got me video art. 16 colors set me free. Now the best thing on TV is me. Video art. Draw my own stuff, make my own shows. It even erases, see, off it goes. Video art. Now the best thing on TV is me. Me. Video art.
A baby bird is called a nestling. Name a fruit that rhymes with reach. Banana.
Question and answer game for the whole family. A Milton Bradley game.
This is what it looked like in the cabinet.
You might not be speedy enough to play Rabbit, a new thing from Milton Bradley. Totally hilarious, incredibly neat games of skill.
Mad scientist.
I have returned the Sound Stones as I promised, Sandora. On behalf of the Thundercats and all the people of Third Earth, thank you for your help.
Wait, Lionel. For centuries we have guarded the Sound Stones well. But now things have changed. Mutants and lunatics know of their power. And if they ever stole all the stones, Third Earth would know a new master.
What happened to them?
They are safe in another dimension, Lord of the Thundercats. Your enemies will never again threaten Third Earth with the Sound Stones.
Once again, I have to thank you, Sandora. Our enemies are many and powerful. We need all the help we can get. Third Earth is to be free.
One day Third Earth will be free, Lionel. One day you and the Thundercats will achieve that goal.